This is the Gospel of John in 3 minutes. Let's go. Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the channel. The Gospel of John is the fourth and final canonical gospel. The Gospel of John was written by one of Jesus's early disciples, John, the son of Zebedee. John actually tells us that of all the things that Jesus began to do, that all the books in the world wouldn't contain everything that Jesus did and everything that Jesus taught. So we see that John selectively used certain stories from the life of Jesus. But why did he do that? Well, John tells us why he does that in John chapter 20, verse 31. He says that these things were written down so that you might believe that Jesus is the Son of God, and by believing have life in his name. So John uses a select group of teachings and events from the life of Jesus in order to help the reader believe in Jesus. John actually has a key word, and that key word is life. He uses that word life at least 36 times in his gospel. Now, to put that into comparison, the other gospels combined only use it about 14 times. So John is clearly trying to show that life comes through Jesus. How does he do this? Well, he does this by including a handful of discourses or long extended teachings from Jesus. We see in the Synoptic Gospels Jesus offering quick statements, these classic one-liners. However, in John's Gospel, Jesus extends his discourses and he teaches a little longer. We also see in the Gospel of John, he records I am statements. They're very famous statements where Jesus would use something in the modern day and he would say like, I am the light of the world. I am the door of the sheep. And he would use these as metaphors in order to show something about the nature of his divinity. Now, the big picture of John is to get people to believe, but not just believe, but to believe in Jesus as the Son of God. In John's Gospel, we have a very high Christology. We see that Jesus really is God in the flesh who's come to dwell amongst us. And so as you go to the Gospel of John, know that you're interacting with a gospel that's designed to show you that Jesus is in fact God. And it's not just showing you that, but it's pulling you to believe, so that believing you can have life. And that's the Gospel of John in 3 minutes. Thank you so much, folks, for hanging out with me during this video. Do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button for this video if you learned something or if you were blessed by this video. I would appreciate it and it would help the channel out. Also, feel free to subscribe. We'd love to have you be part of the family. I'm Brian, and as always, thanks for being here, guys. Bye.